This is another short Roblox video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add payment method to your Roblox account. So you can do this if you have Roblox on your mobile phone, and you can also follow me in this tutorial if you are using a PC to do this. So to do this, just hop on your Roblox platform like this. You can hop on there on your browser, or you can use your Roblox player. It's the same, the interface is the same. So now let's get going with the main part of the tutorial. So on the platform like this, you tap on this place, which is settings. So if you are using a mobile phone, to move to your settings like this, so you just tap. So I have the settings page opened here. So on my settings page, I move to my payment method. So I'm going to show you guys how you can add your credit card or any card of yours, your MasterCard or anything. So good. You can see the page is opened here. So now you'd have to enter your credit card number in front here. Your expiry date will be here, your month and your year. And so on here, you enter your security code on your card, which is sometimes 3, sometimes 4. It depends on your country. So this is my email. So if they deduct any money, they are going to send me an email, like an invoice or something like that. And here is your full name, your country of origin, and then your address, and then you save it. So from this, if you have any subscriptions on Roblox, it's going to deduct automatically, and the invoice is going to be sent to this mail you used to register. You can change your invoice mail by tapping on that. I don't want my personal email to be visible to the public, so I'm not going to tap on that, but you can tap on this pencil and you're going to change your billing email. That's it for the video on how to add a payment method or a debit or Visa card to your Roblox account. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.